Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and here I have one more sofa design for you. One more because I've shown you so many designs earlier, and every time we get a new design to make. Mostly, I've shown you very heavy carving, double carving, and this one is a little modern kind of design where we have very less carving. In fact, a little carving on the top itself, rest a little on the bottom here, and rest everything is a modern kind of design, though again in teak wood because that is the base wood that we use. Teak wood is one of the most durable woods for furniture and is very long lasting, as well as it looks very beautiful as well when it is in the natural finish. But this one is in paint. The paint color is white and the black shade that the client wanted. A couple of things I like to mention before we go further in the details. I'll give you details of each and every item. The few things that we work on. Arson. Arson is an international trademark registered in 35 countries. We are delivering to 55 plus countries across the globe. Entire India, pan India, we have covered. And the most important thing is we make what you want, not what we have. So that's why we are getting new designs every day. And when I talk about the choice part, it's everything. Everything means the size, the design part, the color part, the fabric part, even the number of seats, the size of the table, the size of the side stools. Everything is customizable and as per your choice. Custom furniture, made to order furniture, top brand arson and delivered right to your home at factory price in India or out of India where you are. And that is the best part about our furniture. You can visit arsonwoods.com. You can see so many designs there, or you can go to YouTube channel and see so many videos there. Select what you like and we'll make that for you. This set has got a three-seater, two chairs, and two settees, or you can call them open back settee as well because there is no back at all. And then a big table, 5 by 2.5 feet, 18 inches high. One, two, three, four side stools, 18 inches square, 18 inches height. And what else we have? This is all. This is all in this set. Teak wood again, white paint, black shading as the client wanted, carved top for the table along with the glasses, marble and onyx and these fragile items generally we don't provide, but this is going quite near, so we can manage glasses in this case also. But glasses and fragile items are always at client's risk because it is handled on the site as well. Coming to the sizes, this is 7 feet left to right. The back height is 46 inches, a couple of inches less than 48, 4 feet. Front to back, this is 30 inches and quite wide sitting. You can see a break here. So though it's looking like a two-seater, but it's a three-seater. I'm sitting on this corner. You can see in this corner I'm sitting, and still I have got very good space to sit on this unit. Very comfortable height of the hand here. Too high hand or too low. In both cases, it's not very comfortable. And here you can see I'm sitting really comfortably here. The other part you can see is the back quilting. Here we have diamonds as the client required. Diamonds, buttons, or you don't want any buttons and diamond. Again, this is the choice part that we do. So everything has got choice. Instead of this partition cushion, here we have two parts. But if you want a single cushion, a fixed cushion, that can be done. If you want it in three parts, that can be done. If you want it a little fluffy, a rounded shape, that can be done. All these points are discussed when we discuss the order with you. The fabric choice, like this one has got the beige fabric. If you want something flowery, you want jacquard, you want some other fabric like holland or jute or like velvet, all these things are available. So you let us know what color you want, what pattern we want, and we provide you options in that color, and accordingly we use that. It can be dual pattern, different color on the seat, different color on the back, and all these things we discuss at the time of order to make it as per your choice. The choice part is important because these days everything is designed as per the theme. And when we talk about the theme, it could be the designers, the interior designers, the architect, the home decorators, or your own choice. And it involves carpeting, the wall color, the wallpapers, lighting, everything put together. So based on that, the colors are discussed and decided. So it could be the natural finish, the wooden finish, or you can go for walnut, cherry, mahogany. And then when you move to paint, there are so many colors: gold, off-white, white, satin white, marble white, silver, and rose gold, triple shade, dual shade, champagne, BMW. and then gold leafing, silver leafing, antique gold leafing. So many options are available, and we have done all that already. You can go to our website, or you can check on YouTube. You'll find videos for all these items in different colors, fabrics, patterns, setups. We have done it. So it is up to you what to choose. Coming to the chair, 42 inches left to right, back height is 44 inches, front to back 30 inches, quite wide sitting here. And again, the comfort and the width of the chair that gives the Maharaja look to our furniture. The basic of our furniture is Maharaja furniture, that we call Maharaja furniture, royal furniture, deluxe furniture, premium furniture. All these are names of our furniture that we are making. And then this is interesting. This is a settee, and the client asked for two settees. This is 5 feet left to right, and height is 20 inches. And you can see the work on the top, again the quilting part and the diamonds here. The best part about this one is you can sit it on this side, you can sit on the other side, and one more important thing that it works for. Let's imagine that I have a big TV right on the wall there, or there is a French window or a garden on that side, or a very beautiful painting on the wall. When you have sofas with the back, it covers the wall. The design is not that visible, but when I'm sitting here, you can see me very clearly. The settee is hardly 20 inches high, so above that we have a clear view, so it's not blocking the view. So when someone is sitting here, they can enjoy the entire look of the room, or watch TV right in front of you. There's no blockage. So this is a good concept and works amazingly well. This is in fact a multi-purpose unit. If you put a glass on top of it, it works like a table as well. And again, from a catalog picture, we picked this set. The client sent us a picture. He wanted something. We created that. It's final now, complete. The client has approved it. Now we'll pack it and transport it to the client's place. All these things involves a lot of people: the craftsmen, the painters, the carpenters, then the cushion guys who make the upholstery part, and then the packing guys, the transport people. All these people come together to make a set for you. And this is the best part about our furniture: not just money, but it's generating work for the people. And so many people are serving you for one sofa set, and that gives immense pleasure to us also, because we are generating so much work for so many people with your blessings and with your orders. We have a lot to show you. Enough work in the testimonial section. You can visit. You can see hundreds and hundreds of pictures from different clients' places. Once the stuff has reached there, they placed it, clicked the picture, sent it back to us. And these are reference pictures a lot of people are using to decorate their homes. YouTube videos, and you can go to website, or you can generate your own designs with artificial intelligence. That is what we are doing at the moment. A lot of people are making so many pictures, so beautiful designs with artificial intelligence, and we are converting them to reality here. And factory price, as I mentioned. So Aarsun branded furniture at best price, right to your home. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.